Welcome to our video on science experiments you can try at home. In this video, we will showcase 3 exciting experiments that you can easily do with everyday household items. A lava lamp is a decorative lamp, invented in 1963 by British entrepreneur Edward Craven Walker, the founder of the lighting company Mathmos. It consists of a bolus of a special colored wax mixture inside a glass vessel, the remainder of which contains clear or translucent liquid. Now we will show you how to make it. First, take an empty jar or plastic bottle. Fill the jar or bottle with 1/3 water. Add a few drops of food coloring. Break an Alka-Seltzer tablet into 4 pieces, then drop each piece, one at a time, into the jar. Invisible ink, also known as security ink or sympathetic ink, is a substance used for writing, which is invisible either on application or soon thereafter, and can later be made visible by some means, such as heat or ultraviolet light. Invisible ink is one form of steganography. Mix together baking soda and water. Dip your ink pen into mixture, then write your message on your paper. Wait until the ink is dry, then use a clean paintbrush to cover the entire paper with grape juice concentrate. Create a giant foaming reaction, and use science to wow your friends with this classic activity. With just a few ingredients you can make something that looks like foamy toothpaste being squeezed from a tube, but so big that it looks almost fit for an elephant. Measure half a cup of hydrogen peroxide, and carefully pour it into the bottle. Add a big squirt of dish soap into the bottle, and swirl gently to mix. If you want to make your foam a single color, add a few drops of food coloring directly into the hydrogen peroxide, and swirl the bottle gently to mix. If you want to give your foam stripes like some toothpastes, put the drops along the inside rim of the bottle's mouth. Let them drip down the inside of the bottle, but do not mix. In a measuring cup, mix together 1 tablespoon of yeast and 3 tablespoons of warm water. Stir for about 30 seconds. Don't forget to try these experiments yourself and share your results with us. Stay curious and keep experimenting. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.